Hello everyone. Let's start with a quick question. How many of you believe that standing out at work can make a difference in your career? And how many of you have thought about the building a personal brand but aren't quite sure where to start? If you are agree, please comment box yes. Great. Today's topic is all about personal branding and how you can use it to stand out and advance in your career. My name is Dharmendra, or as many of you know me, PM Dharmendra, and today I will be taking about the power of personal branding. I'll share steps you can take to create a brand that represents you, makes you memorable, and helps you stand out within your workplace. So, what's in it for you? By the end of this session, you will understand how to build a strong personal brand and reflects your values and strengths. You will walk away with actionable steps to make a lasting impression on your colleagues, managers, and industry. Why am I so passionate about the personal branding? Over the years, I have seen firsthand how professionals who actively build and present their brand create more opportunities, expand their network, and achieve their goals faster. Today, I will share some strategies that have worked for me and countless others so that you too can create a brand that open doors. How to build your personal brand at work. Let's get into here are 5 powerful steps to start building your personal brand and standing out at work. First one is identify your unique strengths and values. The foundation of any personal brand is understanding what makes you unique. Think about the skills, strengths, values, and that define you are and what you bring to the table and how to identify your strengths and values. Reflect on past feedback you have received from colleagues or managers. What do people consistently praise you for? Make a list of skills and that you feel confident about and enjoy using. Next is consider your values, what drives you in your work. Example might include creativity, integrity, or teamwork. Why does this work? Knowing your unique strengths and values helps you understand what makes you different, which is core of your strength for personal brand. Second strategy, be consistent and authentic. Once you know your strengths, it's essential to show up consistently and authentically. Consistently build trust and authenticity helps you connect with others on a genuine level. How to show consistently and authenticity. Be yourself. Don't try to emulate someone else's styles. Bring your own approach to takes and interaction. Maintain consistency in your work quality and communication style. Next is own your unique gifts and strength. Let people see the real. Why does this work? Authenticity makes you memorable and builds your reputation that reels genuine, which is what the personal branding is all about. Third strategy, develop a professional image. Your professional image includes not only how you dress but also how you communicate and present yourself. Make sure that your image aligns with the brand you want to portray. How to create a strong professional image? First, dress appropriately for your industry while adding touches and that reflect your personality. And second is work on your communication skills. Speak confidently, listen actively, and keep a positive attitude. Third is ensure that your outline presents and like LinkedIn reflects your professional strengths and achievements. Why does this work? A polished and professional image reinforces your brand, helping you create a positive and memorable impression. Fourth strategy, a network and add value to it. Personal brand isn't just about standing out, it's also about the building relationship. Cultivate a network within your workplace and beyond, and make sure you are adding value to it. How to build a network and add value. First one is take the time to know your colleagues and offer help when possible. Second, attend company events, meetings, and industry conferences. Third thing is share valuable insights, resources, and support with your connections rather than only focusing on what you can gain. Why does this work? When you add value to your network, people will associate you with positivity and usefulness, making your brand even stronger. Even some people say that network equal to net worth. You understand the thing. Fifth strategy, communicate your achievements without bragging. Part of personal branding is ensuring that people know about your accomplishments. However, it's essential to share your achievements in a way that feels natural and not boastful. How to communicate your achievements effectively? First one, share updates on projects and successes in team meetings or via company platform like newsletters. Second, use real language to highlight team accomplishments, making it clear that your achievements benefit the whole team. Third one, engage on LinkedIn or similar platforms to share your projects or accomplishments professionally. Why does this work? When done tactfully, communicating your achievements helps people recognizing your contributions, solidifying your personal brand as someone who delivers results. Now, think is my favorite to my heart. Call to action. There is no law of attraction without action. So now that you know these 5 steps to build your personal brand, and here's what I want you to do. Choose one or two of these steps. Start with and begin building your brand tomorrow. Identify your strengths and value to your network and show up authentically. Over time, you will build a personal brand that will open doors and create lasting opportunities. There is a very popular quote, your personal brand is what people say about when you are not in the room. Jeff Bezos. It's quoted by Jeff Bezos. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on career development, leadership, and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.